When you're hanging rain gutters on older homes, such as colonials that might have a crown molding on the fascia board, or if your fascia board isn't in good condition and you have nothing to secure it to, you'll want to consider a roof hanger. There's a few different roof hangers on the market. What we highly recommend is the roof hanger called the Vampire roof hanger. The reason for it, it's an all aluminum construction, and it has two teeth where it gets its name, the Vampire, which pierce through the back of the gutter, making it a positive system. It has a solid rivet, so when the rivet is stamped, it's a more secure rivet than the hollow type rivet that's usually used, which only supports the hanger on the edges. The hollow type rivet can actually pull off and separate, where you won't run into that with a solid rivet. To install the Vampire, simply hook it into the gutter and down into the back of the gutter, approximately 5/8 of an inch. You'll want to put your hangers on while it's still on the ground, and you'll want to place these hangers roughly about no more than 32 inches apart. Once the Vampire is set in place, simply take the Vampire tool, and we usually use it on the 3rd notch. Stick the nose of the Vampire tool into the hole in the Vampire, placing the heel of the Vampire on the back of the gutter but not directly in line with the teeth. Squeeze the teeth through the back of the gutter. After the teeth penetrate the back of the gutter, simply move the heel of the Vampire tool under the teeth, bend the teeth up, and fold over. Once the Vampire is installed and the teeth penetrate the back and are folded up, that will stay secured for the life of the gutter. Now that you've placed all your Vampires in your gutter while it's still on the ground, the next step is to bend the strap vertically. Now at this point, you successfully installed the Vampire into the gutter. The next step would normally just be bringing the gutter up to the roof edge, applying the strap over the shingles, and securing them down using 2 roof nails. However, the drawback to this type of installation is the homeowner doesn't usually like to see the straps on the shingle. And they always say, do I have to have those ugly roof straps? Well, there is a solution, and what we recommend using with this roof hanger, or any roof hanger, is what's called the mole hidden hanger attachment. The mole hidden hanger attachment is sold separately, and it's a device made out of 32 thousandths aluminum with a double fold over on the bottom. The top edge has an actual flashing pad for the installation. But what you do here is the hole in the bottom of the mole is designed to receive the strap. So while still on the ground, slide the mole over every strap. Once that's done, you're ready to move to the roof edge for the installation. Now once you put the gutter in place, you're ready to install the mole. Simply take the mole hidden hanger attachment, slide it underneath each shingle up as far as it'll go. You want to make sure the mole is pushed all the way up so that you won't have any of the hole exposed. Now you're going to be nailing one nail. We have the nails in white, black, or brown. So you use the nail color that's closest to the roof shingle. You're going to be nailing through the shingle and anywhere into the nailing pad of the mole. You're not looking for the hole. The hole that you see here is just a tooling hole. You're going to be piercing this metal. When you're piercing the metal, it automatically counterflashes the nail. So as the nail penetrates, if any water seeps around the head of the nail, it will be diverted between the 2 strength ribs from the flashing pad back into the gutter. So having said all that, you just drive your nail into the gutter, or into the roof. Raise and lower the gutter to the position you want. Once you get to the position, bend the strap forward. Using a pair of snips, you snip off the excess strap, leaving no less than 1 inch in front of the mole. Using a mole tool, you slide it onto the remaining strap and bend it back down into the gutter. That completes the installation. You do this for every hanger. At the ends, what's going to secure your gutter in place are going to be your outlets. Your downspouts will be attached.